Bitcoin respected my level to the exact dollar. But the real question is, can you spot the next move before it happens? Without wasting much time, let's talk about the previous setup that I gave on Sunday. This setup was planned ahead of time on Sunday, looking into the weekly outlook, and I gave a setup, I gave a level, I gave some levels actually, and one of those levels was respected yesterday to the dollar. So let's break down the trade, and I'm going to be walking you through the trade that I took. I took the trade yesterday on several exchanges. I'll be walking you through it and the next possible setup for Bitcoin. So let's get into it. Yeah, so on Sunday, I made a weekly outlook, and the point of interest where I would be interested in placing trade was this level of confluence. Why was it this level? This price point? It was because there was a lot of confluence there. Going back to 4 hours time frame, it was a 4-hour demand zone. It was a 4-hour demand order block zone. It was in perfect confluence with Fibonacci retracement, golden pocket, and it was also in perfect confluence with uptrend anchored VWAP pulled from this low, and also it was also value area low of this fib, of this volume profile. So yesterday price got there, I got the bullish reaction, and I hopped on the trade on different exchanges, and the trade was massively in profit. Then today, as soon as price got to this level, this price point region, after doing the money analysis, I was interested in placing trade in this region, and as soon as price got there, I got the bearish reaction and also placed a short. I'm currently in a short trade from here now. So now let me show you the trade before we talk about the next possible trades. So on this was the trade setup that was given in advance. That was it, 75,952, and as soon as price got there, this was somehow a late entry, 76,170. Then I had another one filled at 75,850. I got into this trade very early, and also there was another one here at 75,854, and the short trade this morning was taken during the London session, 77.6, and my entry price for the trade was to be at 77,652, and I got there after. The reason why I was interested in placing a trade from here was because there was a daily naked point of control that was taken out by price, and that daily naked point of control was around here, 77,600. Daily naked point of control was at 77,600. I took it out as soon as price got hit the level. somewhere around here, thereabouts. Daily naked point of control was there, and also that daily naked point of control was in confluence with this range POC, this entire range POC. And also another thing I saw was that it was also in confluence with this little range here, supply zone, this little supply range here. So daily and POC was in perfect confluence with the range POC and the supply zone. So if price gets into this region, and as at that, before price got there, there was a local double top here. We had a local double top here before price got to that level. We had a local double top here, which was liquidity that was yet to take out. It was a liquidity point that price had to take out in the morning, and as soon as price took out that liquidity, tap into the supply with a bearish divergence, and going to lower time frame like 15 minutes, there was a bearish engulfing candle. After the close of that bearish engulfing candle, that was when I took the trade, and the trade is still currently on. And this is the trade. So let's talk about the next high probability trade setup. Back to 4 hours time frame. Now let me take out these levels. Let me clear the charts. Clear the charts. 14 ones. Yeah. So don't forget that we have FOMC today, later today, around 8 p.m. So that's a very critical news event that usually affects the USD. So now we have this region of price. We have this region of price, and the anchored VWAP from this entire low. Yeah. And so depending on how the news goes, we could potentially, the price could eventually potentially roll over from here and tap into this region, 73k region. So my next swing long trade that I'll be interested in would be at 73,298, and to take out that double top. And now we have another level at this region, this price region. Let's go to
connection lost,
1 hour time frame. We currently have this liquidity that is yet to be taken by price. So if the price, I'll be paying much close attention to this region of this price location. Should price weaken to this low, more like a SFP, swing failure pattern, into this region, price take out that low and gain acceptance back into that above the liquidity, then I'll be interested in a long also. So those are the two possible trade scenario that I'm currently looking out for, and this is why planning trades is very, very, very important. It's very important you plan your trade ahead of time. So it's never a good idea to start jumping into trades without plan and hoping for the best. That is a way, that is one of the fastest or the quickest way you get wrecked and blow up your account. You always want to come to a blank chart, plan your trades. Although I already have my trade set up for tomorrow or the next price location, I already have my levels marked, and when price gets there, I'll check for bullish or bearish reaction. Once I get them, I would activate my trades. So that's all about the trade that was taken yesterday, and the precision was just something else. Precision entry was something else, and we're already in massive profit already. Then this is not a financial advice, guys, and I am not a financial advisor. This is strictly the way I trade. This is strictly the way I approach the market. So if you like this style of trading, you can go to the website. The link will be in the description. Then you can learn how to trade like this. With that being said, do enjoy the rest of your week, guys.